Yeah, guys, so I want you to go over the D&S family, guys, and subscribe to their channel. Subscribe and turn on the bell, guys, and let them know that CC and Nathan sent you. You see, guys, they have some nice content over there, so go subscribe and show them some love. But yet still you have fight on the person. Why? I feel like you do some things and you laugh in yourself because when you see somebody else do it, so you add to it and you laugh and you feel like say God asleep, God not asleep. You hear? So meanwhile you try fight down somebody else and yourself you hold on. What's up, guys? I don't know if it's the boy Nathan. As you can see down in the title, guys. You don't see what the title is all about, so I don't know what the video is all about, guys. Before we get into this video, I want to say big happy birthday to wish guys to your wish birthday. You see me? I want to wish her a happy birthday. Wish you live to see many more. Guys, you see me? Yeah, wish you enjoy her day and sing a low beer rain. But wish you are the best and she enjoy her day. So guys, yeah, basically I'm gonna just address some little issues and talk about a little thing, guys. You see me? So before we get into this video, please leave a like, guys, leave a comment, hit the post notification bell, guys. You see me? Over to the second channel to subscribe. You see me, guys? Yeah. So guys, we have to say thanks. We are happy. Say thanks to King and Shay. A big thanks to King and Shay, guys. Because we would have reached right here, so we're there, guys. But not for now. Not for now and not like this way, guys. You see how King and Shay them help you, guys. You have to be grateful always. You see me, guys? And King and Shay help you, guys, and we channel reach right out, guys. It reach as big as some other channel, but me I tell us we appreciate where it is, and it is good, guys, and we really appreciate it. But guys, you see, it's like some people now they're not happy for you, see me, and I saw life go. That always happen. So we not to watch that, you see me, guys. So me really not understand Jamaican people them really different, you see me, guys, because people, alright, some people, guys, them sit down and them have for them business are spoil, guys. And all them living a your life, living a other person's life. I tell you what to do and what not to do. It cannot work, guys. No one we are not slave. Nobody and nobody's slave, so you can't tell a person what to do unless that person is your child. You see me, guys? So me not understand why some people why them mentality just stay away, guys. You see me? Them get up every day and them focus on you, say, alright, yeah, I watch her. They go get up today and know, say, yo, alright, watch her boy, they watch him. From yesterday in that shirt, they, from yesterday in that shirt, they are from yesterday, I'm over on the pants, they are from last week, you have on that. Stop watch people, guys. You see me? I don't understand why certain people just watch people, guys. You can't watch people nowadays in life, guys, because in life you have many options and people choose what they want to do, guys. You can't fight a man to choose him destiny or what he want to do or what he want to become, guys. You see me? Either you're going to support him or you ignore him, guys. You see me? Simple as that. You see now, black people, we tell you how black people stay, guys. You see, if this right here, so guys, say alright, this for example, say this is somebody full of talent. You see me guys? Alright, they're not full of talent. Them have a skill, them have a talent, say yo. Alright, them can play football good. The first thing, you know, guys, what them are doing, you know, them are look. Them not look for the something, them not pre the person, you know, and them talent are appreciate, you know, them are look around, right around the talent, them are look, so guys, you see me? And them are look for how you dress, how you look, where you come from, where you live, why. If you support someone, you support them, you cannot get up and you get up every day and you look, you know that the person is talented, but yet still you fight on the person. Why? And you feel like you do some things and you laugh in yourself because when you see somebody else do it, so you add to it and you laugh. And you feel like, say, God asleep, God not asleep. You hear? So meanwhile you try to fight on somebody else and yourself you hold on and that style and don't know that. So people, me say, yo, all me have to say, me don't know why black people stay so guys, you see me? Black people fight against them one another straight. Anyhow we as black people did have little more sense and stop fight against one another would have reached far. Jamaica are one of the we are one of the country them. We is not one of the top flight country them when it come on to YouTube guys. We come on to YouTube we have enough YouTuber than many other countries, and many other countries them collect more money than we. You see me? The YouTuber them more elevated than we because we bad mind I kill so many people them. And then don't like to see how a man reach the stuff. And a man have 5,000 subscribers or 2,000 subscribers. One time, you don't know where some people have to go through to get them thing more while. You see me? So right now guys, you see, we are get bad mind for every angle. But that can't shake with that now do not motivate that I motivate you guys. You see me? We're never gonna stop. No care what happen, we're never gonna stop because King and Shay teach you say yo, don't listen to bad mind, don't respond to bad mind, and don't watch what them have to say. Just work hard work pays off. Guys, every day when Mr. King him tell me that. Work hard, Nathan. Hard work pays off. And I see why him say so. And he not tell no lie. He never tell a lie when him say that because I see it out of my own eyes. Say hard work pays off. You can't get up and sit down so you want to be YouTuber. Alright, you sit down so you do one video today. Next 2 days or next 3 days before you do one video. It's not going to work. You have to put out the work, put out the content, them even 2 videos a day. If you cannot do 2 videos a day, make sure you post 1 every day. Make sure you post 1 every day. Guys, you see, if we think it's still like some other YouTubers where they have them 2 and them 3 camera or them 2 and them 3 phone, you know that see something totally different from CC and Nathan, guys. Because I tell you, say, this YouTube thing, and I just do it because we want to do it, I want to make money out of it. And then, guys, from me a youth, young, I'm 19, from me about 14, I build one first YouTube channel. And the first video on the channel will start take off. Somebody report my video. And the little after I see the channel get terminated. We have 2 channels, guys, that was terminated. The last couple channels they terminated and the same. You know, so the morning, one time I wake up, I may see it, I wake up the morning. And we they put out our video the night. I mean I tell you guys that the first we ever get 300 views in a 1 hour. You want to see how me and CC did glad when time we see the first 300 views in a 1 hour. So we did it and we go sleep. In the morning now we say alright, we're gonna look back at the video. When time we go upon the video, guys, we go look and we go up on the channel and we say no videos. So me I say no videos and we have up 69 video, 79 video guys. 79 video. I'm go sub, I'm reload it. And me see this channel was terminated. And me say, no sir. Same time it goes up. And me really come off of YouTube guys. I'm go back on it and look and see it again and see the email. Same time hold the phone so water start run out of me, you know. And me say, God no star. Look how me and see if he go through. Look how much things my mom and go through. Today I saw just 1,000. We not even have 1,500 subscribers yet. And I tell you say come like the word to it. I will cherish the thing with when I tell the guys to work hard, we borrow people phone, we walk and we borrow people phone. When you see the phone, if you see the local phone, so we are edit pan, we're not even roll over the screen, there's an ink up. Ink up, and we still God real. You know say God real, guys. The phone we are use. One little phone, so. Alright. And on a quality phone. And a glass, a plastic screen. So you know say one of the old time days phone there. And I tell you say guys, the screen ink out. And to show you God, to show you how God powerful. You see, next day in the morning when we sleep I wake up, I drop asleep on the phone by mistake. So when I wake up, the ink gone out of the screen. Gone. Phone and touch back and everything. But a week after now, this screen ink up again. And I tell you, say, guys, we go out of bed and I see pray. You see, the next day when we wake up, the ink just come out of the screen, little by little and little by little, little by little. So till we go so. And we are doing video till the channel gone. So when the channel gone the morning, you know, I see it. They are balling at me and say, Jaja youth. You know hard man work for days so. And everything just gone. So because of people and them negativity and them bad mind thinking. And me call King and Shay. Because a king them did I tell me say yo, work hard. Just post out some video, more video. Yeah. Work hard and then we go help you know. So come we start post 3 video a day, 2 video a day we work. So when we call them and tell them no. And the man I say, Gia know me I tell you say the man feel it when we are telling him to the channel gone. The man feel it. She feel it and her father. You see me the whole of them there and She father there and the man say, yo, John won't start. You know like how that sound, you know. Make them come down. I see him where King I tell, same time King tell you, say, you know, say, he have his room down here. But you know, sure if we want to come stay down here. But you have a room down here where we can come and we can do video them and think. So it's same time where I say, yo, because at the time we just stay at CC father house. With me, the same time, I say, yo, alright now. I have to reach down there. We usually save some silver guys, you see me? And I have $500. A $3,000 full fare from St. Thomas to reach down here. So. And we have $500 and some silver. When we check out the silver guys, we count out the silver, then we get $800 silver. $800 silver plus the $500. So you know, say $1,300 that we have. We not even have half of the money yet. Because so now, we wonder where we are going to get the rest of the money from. Because I'm a yard. I ask my sister and them for money. They say they not have it done. If they need have it, more get it still. I ask my mother for money. My mother give me $1,000. I never did tell my mother say me I go away, you know. I never tell my mother, say, mommy, you know, say me I go away. As much as the situation and everything, I never look for her until I say, you know, say me I go away do. And it's stick because when we get the toes done, I walk out. Same time I walk out of my yard, you know, guys, me I tell you, say, water run out of my yard, you know. And I step out of my yard, you know. I just feel breakdown, you know, guys. And me I say, yo, no start. Because me is a youth now, me not like too far from my family, you know. You see me? Me stay at time, you know, but me not stay for long. Because me and my granny and thing, and my grandmother 90 odd, she can pass out anytime. So, when time I there and see, I say, don't worry yourself, man. Don't worry yourself. Don't worry yourself, you know, if you're forward. So, because I want to go up the road now, I want $500 more. So, I see my uncle and CC, I say, nah, go to him, man. I say, you know, say, I not ask him. I can go on. I can't bother for your person. Because I see him just come from a shop. See, serious, you know, guys. But what they're saying, and she said she going to do something, she going to do it. She very serious, and I say, me just see she walk off. And she go over there to my uncle, you know, guys. She go over there to him and ask him. Ask him for the money when I see she a come. She a come back with the $500. Me I say, yeah. Then she go to her uncle and get the last 2 bills. And so we left St. Thomas after 11. Guys, and we are come, we don't know where we are going. We drive at a long drive. A long drive. We drive, we sit down in a one bus for how long. We never drive so long yet. And me I tell you, say when we reach a place, and King then tell me if we come off, we tell the busman, say, you know, so we are come off such and such place. And the man make a stop. So when the man stop, and me from far, I see King, you know. Me I say, Kalisha, see King there, you know. Kalisha was so excited, and I said, oh my God, I really cannot share this. I really cannot share. Me I say, yeah man, it's real, man. Anyways, we there and we know, say guys, not easy. We have to work hard and just go through what we have go through and know, say yes. And life, we there so for a reason to try and make things better and right more while they say when you want good, you know you have to run. You see me? They can't want good and feel like it will come easy. You see me? I look and see more while I tell her, I say, Kalisha, the man there, out there so, the man them when you see out there say I work hard. Every day in the sun. Why you feeling not rich? Oh, him not rich. He not deserve to rich to you. Of course he deserve to rich to how hard him work. That for sure you say, him out there can work so hard and not rich. Why you want to sit down and rich? Or you expect to sit down and rich and that man out there kill out himself every day, and if he broke like that, it not gonna work so man. More while some people get chances, luck come them and then I do nothing at all. And riches just fall anyway. A year good luck that everybody not built up the same. Everybody luck is not the same. Some people have to work very hard. If you see a little thing and get a little thing, guys. You see me? So every time more while me there and see more while we fed up. But guess what, we can't fed up. If me will not turn to her and say, Kalisha, we have to go through this, Reggie. Have to go through this and know so we are come down here and we are going to make a thing up. You see me, guys, and we do here, King and Shay, them deal with it nicer. Them deal with it properly and everything, guys. They not disrespect or nothing. You see me? They treat it good. You see me, guys? So, basically what I say, guys, you see me, you cannot fight a man to choose him part when you want to walk done. If you don't agree with him, leave it alone. Guys, some people them come and them say that and then put this bag of laughing face and think, how you feeling of yourself? How that make that funny for you to put laughing face and think? Nobody can tell a man what to do with him life. You see me? You see, alright, you see what I notice? You see when you just start and you're on this level, you see the somebody where they up here so, them can't get that person and not talk. No matter that somebody they want, if anything that person they want to do, them don't have no say. Them only have a opinion. You see me? Them can't say nothing to try bring down the somebody them. You see me? Because if they do say something, the rest of somebody them where they say, yo, you allow the people them man, you know see. But guys, that's when you're on one level, people feel like they can bring you down before you reach up there, but it not gonna work. It can't work. You can't want to fight your own. You see me? The whole of we are black people. You can't want to fight a man. You see me, guys? People are talk about say, yo, we are bleaching. Guys, we are not the first person to bleach. And not the first we are bleach. If you didn't know me, couple years back, you would have never said nothing about bleaching. Because this is nothing to when me and bleach couple years back. Me tell you, me literally white. And not the first me and bleach, and not the first CC I bleach. Enough people were talking bleach as well, guys. You see me? And like I say, we don't love the complexion and things. But guys, it's a full choice. If you don't support it, just do that. If you don't not support it, you don't have to say anything about it, guys. You see me? Because at the end of the day, a few choice, guys. You see me? Yeah, so this can I say it we end the video, guys. You see me? Just leave a comment on what you think. You see me? With your opinion. Yeah, guys, remember to like the video, share, and subscribe if you're new. You see me? And if you're not subscribed, subscribe to our channel, guys. You see me? Because we really appreciate we support them, guys. We love no bad. You see me? We keep motivated and make them know say, yo, don't stop. Don't listen to nobody whosoever call you and tell you that. You see me, guys, want to say, yo, big up Nigel. You see me, Nigel, big up yourself. You see me, guys. You see it with them, so guys, just stay tuned. You see me? I know say CC and Nathan always over there. Always. You see me, guys, so just stay tuned. You see me?